In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access passwords from the Firefox sidebar in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick if you want to quickly view saved logins, find a password you forgot, or manage your stored credentials without digging through a bunch of menus. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look toward the sidebar area. If the sidebar isn't already visible, you may need to make sure it's enabled so you can access the tools inside it. Now click the settings gear icon in the sidebar. This is where Firefox lets you customize what appears in that panel. After you click the gear icon, you'll see a list of options. Find the option labeled Passwords and tick it. This tells Firefox to show the Save Passwords section in the sidebar, making it much easier to access your login information whenever you need it. Once Passwords is enabled, go back to the sidebar and click the password key icon. This opens the Saved Passwords area directly. From here, you can see all your saved passwords in one place, along with the websites and usernames linked to them. If prompted, Firefox may ask you to verify your identity for showing sensitive information. That's completely normal and adds an extra layer of security. Just follow the on-screen prompt if it appears. Now, you can browse through your saved logins and quickly find the one you need. This is especially helpful if you use Firefox built-in password manager to store accounts for email, social media, shopping sites, or work tools. Instead of searching through settings every time, the sidebar gives you a faster way to get there. And that's it. You've now learned how to access passwords from the Firefox sidebar. It only takes a moment, but it can save you a lot of time when you need to review saved credentials. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.